Uh, Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Wait, okay, I'm fixing this webcam. Just one moment, okay. I'm fixing it, okay. Okay, let's see how to start it. Wait, okay, droid cam. Finally, I'm holding little bit of a position again. I found some courage. Got some courage actually. Got some courage. I hope it should work now. Wow, it's beautiful. HK Wines, my friend, thank you so much. Okay, you show me this tool, but the thing is, there is a lot of lag, my friend. There is, see this lagging thing. I mean, it's good, but it is lagging. Wait, okay. Especially, I have checked it in the live streams. It do this problem. Wait, okay. I'm going to settings. Wait, let's video. Target quality is low. Okay, good. Yes, and the camera, let's set it to 30 fps for now. Minimum if it double. Let's see. Okay, let's connect it now again. Let's wait. Can you see now? No? Droid cam. Oh, this is what has happened to it. In the morning time I did it. It was good. It was nicely. I mean, connection will be okay. Just one moment, my friends. Video. Okay, wait. Target quality is low. Okay, let's set manual. Encoder option. Keyframe interval. Target quality. Let's start it now again. Oh, still freezing. But I think it is a little bit better now, isn't it? Wait. Uh, Yes, this is better. Let's see it now. Again same thing, my friend. And why it just, I think it's comparatively better than before. What do you say? It's better now, I guess. One more setting, okay? Let's see one more. This is video manual. No, not manual. Camera. Let's make it 30 fps. Minimum fps. It's good now. You guys tell me, how is your stuff going on? Now tell me, how is your life going on? HK Wines, good evening. How are you doing? Thank you. You gave me a very good idea for this webcam. So, my friend, what we are going to study today? What gold did, do you know? I came in the London session as well. Explained everything. Later, if you get a chance, you check out that video. Oh, my friend, I was stopped out on that trade last night, and I got so much crazy. My friend, this is again like freezing. Let me turn off the chroma key. Let's make it as this. Still it is freezed. Tool is good, but is freezed, I think. Anyways, so then let me make it smaller than if it is. Anyways, let's just forget the webcam. Okay, my friends, let's see. So my friend, the thing is, here you will see something on my chart. Okay, and let's move this to pips. So till at London, my friend, I didn't knew that market is going to do this to me. So then after a few moments before, like a few moments after the London session, I discussed this break of trend, a retest, and then follow up till this level right here. I hope it will be not too much technical for you, I should say. And you know, again this one has like a stop loss of big stop loss, okay, and big take profit. 2166 pips of a take profit, and 640 pips as a stop loss. And this is the entry, and this is the position trade. And just like yesterday, it can stop me today as well. And then tomorrow in the London session, I will be coming again saying I book a loss. But my friend, if I tell you, this is see that same yesterday's trend, okay? So I will try to when the price reaches here, we will see, okay? We see the smart money levels we are going to observe today. Then how the smart money levels gives us good profitable trade opportunities. We are going to discuss that as well. Literally everything that comes in front of me, I try to transparently transfer that information to you. Okay. So today's session is, I should say, like not about like showing you perfect trades, okay? Like it's about like there are a lot of the channels who will show perfect trades to all of you. But since I don't like that way, I want to keep things realistic, okay? Because later, let's say if I give false hopes or something, um, so whoever is like doing these fake things to people, I think just stop do they should stop doing it, okay? Traders and the beginners, the inconsistent, they need to like I believe that they should be aware of what people are doing with them, okay? So be alert about it. So it's not about showing you perfect trades or something, okay? I do show you perfect trades, but there is a logic behind it, okay? Not just like on a clean chart and I hide my strategy and say and just show you. That is just show off. I have a friend who once win a trade. We used to trade back and like this is a very old story, okay? He was such a big loser at the beginning, I cannot tell you. He literally lost all of his money. Literally. Can you believe? And at the end became a full gambler. So we used to trade together. I mean, we just jumped into like we knew about trading together and that type of. He used to lose a lot. He was very rich. He could afford. His father was a very. Back then, we were completing our master's degree from university. Anyways, where what stories I started. So that person of mine, what he used to do is he used to show me his perfect trade. See, Aftab, I made this, I made this, I made this. I said, oh, great, man, great. You are doing absolutely fine. And he used to hide his losing trades from me just to make me jealous or do something. So I think that is, my friend, not transparency. When once you spend time with me, you will know me very nicely. Okay, you will know me, what type of a person I am, and then how I behave when I'm on the charts. So in today's session, yes, I am going to discuss the mistake that caused a lot. Okay, that caused a lot. And for me, that mistake was, oh, it's okay, 1,000 pips. But I last night I go after stopped me out, and similarly, if it stopped me out again, I will be going through this whole process. So one mistake these traders make. So just like you saw yesterday, most of you who are watching me for the first time, let me tell you that I took a trade and I lost. And when I sit and when I was analyzing to find out that was it my fault, the market fault, whose fault was this? This is then again very much important to analyze for us. Yes, my friend, this is important for us to analyze our losing trades as well, because the whole life we will not be winning, and we know if we don't analyze our trade happen, we are not correcting the power line that is coming from the pole to my house. So my house will either be getting a dim electricity, or maybe that broken wire can kill someone potentially due to the electric shock. My friends, we need to correct these things. Then this market is going to be having miracles for us. So I was saying that the market, like I took this losing trade not because like the market was wrong or something, but because like I was wrong yesterday in the London session. I said I did a mistake. Okay, don't try to hide your mistakes, say them in public. You will become a very good trader. Let people laugh at you. What will happen? Hardly. For example, if I didn't like if one hide that hey I have lost, and if one hide it, it means that person is further making a burden over himself. Clear? I hope this webcam is good enough a little bit. Oh, it's good now. Good. Let me then make it a little bigger, bit bigger. If it is working nice, it will feel even more good. See, it's not syncing with the lips, but no problem. No problem. So my friend, most of the time market is not wrong. This is us who are wrong, and then we blame the market, then we blame the candles, then we blame the smart money. Yes, my friends, then we blame the smart money as well. We say, oh, the smart money is doing this to us. We need to accept the reality that okay, I did this and this is why I did it and how I did it, so that in the future I can try to reduce repeat like making such mistakes in the future. Okay, let's see side by side the market a little bit as well. And my friends, one thing I want to tell you, try to understand my method. Don't try to copy my trades, because who knows your psychology. Let's suppose we both are working on a same strategy. You can make more percentage per month than I do. Okay, because your psychology, see, your psychology might be strong. Okay, so with a good psychology one can make good profits. So my friend, yesterday the trend was intact, even today the trend is intact, but like the structure was not broken yesterday, structure is broken today. Still the bigger structure has not been broken yet. I mean, this bigger structure is not broken, it's still there, and it still can come back down till here. Just like yesterday I was looking for this place to buy. Even see my friend, if yesterday I waited for the market a little bit, I would easily get 189 pips. But anyways, from right here, but still I think the level didn't work, because when it is crashing, it's just crashing. And why this 618 didn't work? Because we were looking for a bullish 618, bullish smart money 618 right here, while the main trend was bearish. Okay, yesterday we were closer to the trend when I was buying. Today there is still we have room left. Okay, so this is the advantage I get today. So I was wrong, my friend, and I should not hide my mistakes. My friend, now let me tell you, this is not just about me. This is exactly how most traders lose. Okay, not because they don't know the strategy, but because they ignore context, they ignore logic. If I ignore logic, this has to happen. If a trader ignore a trend line, this will be happening. I am telling you that it's not a magic or something. SL hits will be there, but we should understand our own mistakes, what mistakes we are doing. Look at this, the higher time frame, what it is telling. Okay, so high time frame is still bearish, no break of structure, no shift in control. But what did I do? I zoomed into M15, saw the support, and convinced myself this is a buy. And my friend, this is not an analysis, this is emotional justification, I should say. The market didn't trick me. I ignored the truth. We ignore the truth. It's us who make the mistakes. Okay? Market is not always wrong. Yes, market is dangerous if one don't understand and then go near it. If you are honest, you can tell me in the chat. You have done it many times. You have done it many times, and now imagine a different approach, my friends. Imagine only trading when trend, structure and entry all align, just like on my other days that I do. Imagine skipping trades instead of forcing them. Okay, you don't need more trades, you need better decisions. A little bit I want to show you. See, this is a bigger trend. Then this is the H4 trend. The H4 is also bearish. Then the H1 trend is also bearish. Look at it, my friends. How many? Let's launch Epic Pen. Leave a like on the stream, everyone. Okay, and let me head over to your chat. Good evening, everyone. HK Wines, great. I will get back to you on hedging. Ask me this question tomorrow if possible, or at the end of the stream. High time frame say bearish. Yes, it is saying bearish. Uh, okay, Ichuku. Okay, hi sir. Hi, how are you doing? So where is the epic pen? Here. Sometimes the webcam is giving me problem, and sometimes see the webcam is still freezed. Find me another tool, my friend. This is, even I have connected it with a USB, but still it's doing this. Right? I think it should be good now. But it's going to put more burden over the CPU. No problem. Let it be, okay. I hope it doesn't stuck again. See, it is stucking again. No problem. Let's focus on. Let's make it smaller, okay, my friends. It's freezing. So three trends came in from there. Three. Let me show you. This is one trend. Okay, let's do it this way. See, there is one this trend. This is the daily trend right here. As this. One is this H4 and one is this tiny M15. As this is one trend, then another, and then as this. Just like branches of a tree. And this one go break out, and now it is going to retest that. Then there we see what we need to do: a breakout, retest, continuation, or a reversal. Remember, my friends, there are different types of trades. Yes, there are different types of trades. Even hedging is one type of a trade, I should say. Is it smooth now? But no, see, when I see, it's now good when I don't do anything else, and when my screen is idle, it will be doing good. Freezed, okay, again freezed. GBP USD later confirmed this one, okay. See what the market is doing right here. See on this one. This is what I explained that day as a bullish momentum. See each candle rejection, then the candle come down, take a retest at the previous low, retest at the previous low, continue high, retest. Like a candle come back down, take a retest, then go back up. Another candle come back down, take a retest, go back slightly up. Then similarly go back down, take a retest, and slightly go back up. This is what's called the bullish momentum. When it cannot break, like this is the candles, okay, and the candle will be forming some sort of a candlestick pattern as this. You see what is this? This is that type of a pattern. And even let's say, even if I adjust it as this, still it's not bad. So if one go near the scalping today, even yesterday it stopped me out on the H4. So even on the lower time frame, if one trades today, my friend, it will be way too hectic, okay. So anyways, on the H1, if I get a correction, then let's see this zone. Remember, my friends, we should not fight the market if the trend is not broken. Okay, listen to this. We should always respect the structure. Those who don't respect the structure, my friend, then this market crushes those traders, right? It will be crushing those traders. I need a webcam, my friend. That is not available right here. Here we have the Chinese versions. I don't like it. The which the webcam name is you know that what they say, Logitech C920. This is the webcam I really want for my live streams, but that's not available in my country. The original one, Chinese one, you know, the Rode microphone, I bought several dozens. I bought, they don't work. They are Chinese, low grade quality. If one can help me source it from abroad, please do reach out to me. Now, you know, most traders, what they did right here yesterday, no one asked me about it. After the SL hit right here, what they did, my friend, usually I enter into a sell trade, but yesterday, why I didn't enter into the sell trade? And here is then most of the traders who do this mistake. We should understand it together, because see, you, I, we are not gamblers. We are real traders. We are real family people. Okay, we are not gamblers. We are not this and that. We right here, we have families, we have lives. So we should not be gambling. But right here, let's suppose if yes, last night I entered aggressively, let's say right here, what would happen? No doubt I could make good profits again, that 1000. But what would happen? Immediately on this candle, see, I would be in 400 pips of a drawdown. So then do you think it is a good idea to trade this way? Huh? Now, I say, I tell everyone, keep it very simple. This is like a simple method, a simple formula, simple thing. We book a loss, and I'm so glad it happened in the live streams. I'm glad because I get a chance to not hide it from my audience. Why? Because right here we work as a family. This is our family channel, I should say. Forex trading, we are a community right here, and I will be growing this community. You will see, inshallah. Thousands of traders will be watching us. Why? because my streams are going to be life changing for most of the traders. Lives will be changed. Those who seriously be with me in the live streams. And one is just claiming, people just claim. I am not claiming. I am right here with a proof. I have observed one thing in your psychology. See, I haven't met you, I don't see you. When you leave the screen, when you don't, but still I know as soon as a trader gets his trading level from my stream, run away. He's not going to stay with me. Why? Because that person is a gambler. So I immediately know that. See, yesterday there were around 13 or 14 people watching me, and once I revealed the levels, that first trade I took, see, 8 out of them left away. You 8 9 are my good strong buddies, I should say. So if you want to be a friend with me, you have to stop gambling mindset. Everyone, those who are, because those who are watching me for a month now at least, they know it. For the newcomers I'm saying it, okay? So don't mind this. Where is my other friends today? Yes, Logitech is a very fantastic brand, my friend. Let's see. Okay, I'm stay with me. Okay, there is a good level. If you have seen my London session, there is a lot for us. Okay, but you know, there are, my friends, several things that we need to into consideration. The first thing is, for example, the yesterday's loss that I book it for myself. Okay, I booked it for myself. I book it. So sometimes, you know, when these in these live streams, when people copy these signals without understanding this and that, so you know, I don't like those things, you know, because the right setup, I already tell everyone that this is the right setup. So one doesn't need to copy his mentors each and every trade. If they want, can lot sizes play another good role. Right here, sellers are crushed. Why? Because they entered early. Right here, they sold. Even as a intraday scalping, still this was a 200 pips of a zone. This was a 200 pips of a zone. This was a 200 pips of a zone. But each time the market comes down, most of the traders sell. 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 And I'm glad you guys are not repeating this mistake. Because out there in other streams, people do this. And their mentors are not saying anything to them. Can you believe the mentor say just do? Strange. I mean, this is very strange. Now my friends, see this a little bit, this price action. Do you see any structure inside it? But this is not my level. Okay, maybe I can scalp little bit right here as this, but my friends, I will be waiting a little bit, because if I don't wait for the market, my friend, this market is going to do what? this market is going to crush those traders who enter with a gambling mindset. My friend, this camera is very nice. Okay, the lag has also decreased, but like it is way right here. What do you understand, my friend? The whole thing that I explained. See, I discussed my own mistake in public. Why? So that I can make a very good foundation for this channel, that the community we are going to build will be transparent. See, transparent. And this is how good movement occurs. Okay, this is how good movements are started. Yet I have to teach you the method to detach from money so that more money can attract you. These concepts will come but a bit later. I'm setting the foundation for this channel. Okay, so yes, let's wait a little bit for it. Volnez, Volvic 45, 30, 29. Maybe yes. Let's see. Bearish channel. Yes, it is. Sort of. If we get a good close above 45.59, even on the H1, oh, on the H1 we have got this breakout. It means, my friend, it has break into the structure. So if it broke into the structure, then this is, my friend, their level. But then they will be approaching back till 46.56. But let's see. Okay, let's wait a little bit. Things are not very clear till at this stage. Lot of liquidity build up right here. There is, this when we, like, you see, this is a candle at the moment. Let's see, have a look at this particular candle. This is 45.64 right here. What it is doing now, let's see it right here on the H4. On the H4, just like Volnez Volvic said, we are in a bearish channel. Now here is that, understand this trick which I'm going to tell you. Price is nicely, understand it as this. Price is nicely in a bearish channel. But inside this bearish channel, see, don't you see this structure a little bit as this sort of? And this is that thing which we need to understand. So I was saying the candle. Now see this candle. We need a good close above this zone. Then we will be saying, because I don't want to repeat the mistake that I did yesterday. Yes, my friend. Most traders will do a mistake today. We'll be repeating it 2 hours after. We'll be repeating 2 hours after. We'll be repeating tomorrow again. We'll be repeating the day after that. The day after that, until the whole account is zero. Oh, people have sold houses. Why? Because they started to trade without understanding, my friend. People have lost their properties in this business. Please, my friends, understand this. Please. If one tells you, if one tells you just do it on a 1 minute with just a moving average or something, please refer that person to me. How he is doing it? I do one thing, and you know, okay, just 1 minute. 1 minute, okay, there is someone. Wait, okay. I thought someone knocked at the door. Now I will be discussing the smart money loops as well, okay, today. Yes, so I was saying people have lost their properties in this business. Someone out there tell, hey, I made this much, and the person go rushing towards him. Go rushing towards him. The person go rush towards him. Why? Because obviously everyone wants to make money. Everyone wants to make money. Now I'm again like might be entering right here again how this market is. A break above will then again suggest a buy. Same situation as yesterday. Let's patiently wait for this Fibonacci number. I'm just holding it as this, okay. 1649 pips. Very strong bullish momentum and bullish system is created, but for you guys I think this stop loss is too much, okay. Unless you are not a position or a swing trader, I think my strategy now tells me that hey Aftab, just stop here and there, just stick to one clear decision. Are you holding a buying decision or not? Okay, because above this, if I enter, most traders do this mistake, they enter above this emotionally right here and the market come back for a recovery, so immediately 10,000 pips it's coming down. And so my friends, you didn't ask me if people are losing so much money in this market, then why they are right here, why they don't quit? Huh? You tell me. I ask you this question. Come on, show up in the chat, my friends. Volness, Volvik, HK Wines, you others, please talk to me. Who are you? I want to remember your names. I'm so much hopeful. If I tell you I'm so much hopeful for this, but obviously as a human being, there is always these emotions will be always there, pain will be there, reward will be there. When our brains see the reward, it say okay, now I'm happy. Why? Because I see that clue, that reward. Remember, the good trader is the one who can keep his equity safe. Okay. See, my friend, imagine if a person takes 1000 pips of a loss live, what that person emotionally will be feeling, huh? 1000 pips of a loss. If 1000 pip of a loss someone take, they wash their accounts in revenge trading and this and that. But I'm happy from myself as well at the same time. Why I'm happy? Because if I made a mistake, I also corrected it. I didn't lose much. The setup that was supposed to be for 1000 pip, I took not exactly 1000 pip, it was around 750 something, but let's say 1000. Now most of the traders are now selling at this price point. I am completely against it. No doubt how strong this level later it becomes. Okay, later it will become nice level, but for now look at this bullish momentum, my friend, and look at this bullish momentum on the H4 as well. So a correction is going to come or not, we will know it in 22 minutes. Because no doubt this is a reaction area. This is a strong reaction area and price might be bouncing off from there back till here upon confirmation. But my friend, without a confirmation, it's just a buy. Okay, and if it just crashes down till here 400 pips, I can't say anything about that. So let me put my finger over the trigger and then we see. See, this channel, this stream is going to change lives. I have changed lives. Started from myself, then I changed my friend's life, then a lot others. Okay, this is, I don't want to become like a parrot. Okay, such a parrot who is praising himself. There is a good example as well in this. A brave trader is the one we say okay, we hold the position and I'm holding it till there, that's fine. In swing, I have this opportunity that no doubt at this zone this pattern has created, and I took this entry on this candlestick. Do you know my divergence and RSI? Let me show you. Another thing, who uses the divergence? Let me ask you this first. Let's launch the RSI. Period 5, okay, levels 20 and levels 80. My friend, there is a very big divergence right here. Big divergence. I mean, big means big. Just have a look at it. Indicator is showing a bullish momentum while price stopped right here and it did not came back down last night. See, when it was right here, it was as this. So connect the two highs. Does this high, like this trend looks bullish to you, this thing? Yes. Did market stopped? Yes. Is this divergence? 100% yes. Can this divergence give us this profit? 100% yes. Can it hit my stop loss? 100% yes. Anything it can do. Anything it can do. This is market, and we have to be prepared for it in advance, that it can do this to us. Why we put stop losses then? Because we know that if the market go against us, we are going to close the decision. But most traders, then they don't do it. I'm glad you guys are not doing it, okay? Or you are doing it the correct way, I hope. It has started consolidation, my friend, again near this zone, okay? What do you think? Shall I treat this level as a separate breakout retest on the 15-minute time frame, so that we all can trade together? But my friend, sometimes my trades do go wrong, okay? So don't just blindly follow me. Let's wait for this level a little bit, okay? This one. Yeah, this one seems perfect. It's okay, my position is smaller. If it drop 500-600 pips, I will add some more, okay? But I cannot, I cannot just let this setup go from my hands, because if it is gone, it is gone. Then it's not coming back to my hands again. And if it is going to fail, it will just stop me out. Simple. Let's observe it, okay? Here is one other psychology. Have a look at it. See, yesterday people sold from right here. In a traditional textbook of Forex, we say, because it obviously becomes a demand zone. On one hand side, now pay close attention, one hand side we have a demand zone. Okay, on M15. What is a demand zone? The smart money area, demand zone. On the other hand side, on the H4, we have seen bullish divergence. And on the daily chart, we have nil. No confirmation till now so far. Today it will be confirmed. If today's candle closes bullish, then will be confirmed. So we are on just H4 and M15. But since on the M15 as a bull, I lost yesterday. So on the M15, what? A valid breakout, then a retest, and then a continuation. This will be then the valid entry. Otherwise, it will remain as a smart money liquidity area. Obviously, right here liquidity is, right here liquidity is, right here, right here. But it can just do that, and the best trader is the one who catch the market at the right place. So today there is, like, in front of this double bottom of the H4 and divergence, I think these little channels may not do anything, okay? And despite of this big momentum as well, So people now will be selling. This is my own guess. People will be selling and market will be stopping them out. People will be selling, market will be stopping them out. People will be selling, market will be stopping them out. And this is how we become good at it. Okay. Also Volnis Volvic, also W pattern on 4 hour. Yes, exactly. I would like to take this trade, but the SL is too expensive even on zero lot. Yes, it is too expensive. The good setups are on its way. Okay. Also W pattern. Yes. The flow agency. Yaftab, where can I reach you? Which email I gave? Gail Sodzer, hi, I'm Phyllis and new to trading, but you explain it so easy that it is very good to follow. What you do? Thank you for your explanation. Thank you, dear. Thank you so much. You made my day. Wallness Volvic, it will go at least 1 TP. Okay. This is my WhatsApp number. Let me show you. This is my WhatsApp number. Where is the text? Here. See, this is my WhatsApp number. Who asked me about my WhatsApp number? The Flow Agency. The Flow Agency. Sellers seem stopped out. Logically, my friend, behind everything we need to give logic. Then trading, despite of hitting 1,000 pips, still it will be making wonders for us. But we need to get familiar with the system a little bit. You stay with me, you will see. In next 2 3 4 months, you see. Compare yourself right now and after 3 months of you spending in the live streams, you will see a very big difference. You will get mature, trading mature, I should say. Okay, don't mind, don't take it personal. Let's say you contact me. Let's say your name is Mr. A, or let's say you are Mr. Aftab. So Mr. Aftab in real life is Mr. Aftab for me. I will respect him. If he's elder than me, I will give his I will give all the, like, I will be honest, kind, this and that, respectful. Why? Because, and brotherly, and not getting angry. Because why I will be getting angry at someone? But then that same person, let's suppose, if become my member, let's say, or my audience. Now this Mr. Aftab is Mr. Aftab Forex trader for me. FT, Forex trader. So even if I get a little bit angry at some time, because earlier one of my member, this previous on this previous Euro US dollar, I also shared this story with you in detail. For the newcomers, I'm saying, one of my member, I was explaining this sell all the way from right here. I then personally took it as well and book my profit right here. Okay, then I take from right here as well and book it right here. Then I left the market. I said, because when I took it from here, I was planning anyways. So when I was explaining this bullish rally as this to him, he said, sir, can we, he interrupted me. He said, can we enter a tight 10 SL of a SL above this candle. This day we were discussing 15th of April. If this candle closes bearish at this zone, can I set a tight SL? I said do it, whatever you want. The next day he entered, he was so happy. And then the next morning I asked what you did. Did that help? My actual stop loss was something else that I was giving, but he interrupted me somewhere. So such as we also interrupt ourselves sometimes in this market. And one thing to new traders I'm telling, please don't join Forex if you hear from here and there and there. Properly take a course, test yourself with someone, and if that person say you are now fit for trading, see, fit, FFT, you have to find out, are you fit for trading or NFFT, not fit for trading. A time came on me, I thought I'm also not perfect for trading because I was inconsistent back then, completely inconsistent. I say, okay, if all of these people are doing it, Aftab, why you cannot do it? Frustrated and trying to search for one strategy, sometime the other strategy, sometime the other. Things were not moving unless I realized things myself. That, oh, this is the thing, this is the thing, this is the thing, this is the thing. You know, this much, 6 big diaries I have. These days I also journal, but maybe 6 big registers I have. Where is that? Here, that is. Let me show you. You know, my friend, I don't like to type much. Okay. Sorry, it is a little bit. See this, I want to show you something. Can you see? This is how I journal. Note down the important levels. And how much time ago I have told you this? To keep journals, okay? Maintain journal, healthy journal system. Wait, okay? It's 30 degrees Celsius right here. How about you? Your side. Let's trade the breakout, okay? We have 5 minutes left and then the market will have big volume. Let me quickly check the Forex factory as well. Forex factory. Did you see the price action strategy? We have later news as well. ISM services PMI and JOLTS job openings at 7 p.m. So till then, let's see what the market is doing. We need to know this as well. Why this chair looks so you guys didn't find me to help me source my Logitech C920. Maybe if you have some contacts in Dubai or somewhere, you can help me by getting the real version of it. Scalping is bullish till now so far. 53 pips it gave. In 3 minutes we will know that what it's actually going to do. In next 33 minutes we have a news as well. Oh, 26 degrees, nice. See my friends, today when I did in the London session that losing trades video, people didn't came to the live stream today, but it's okay, I don't mind. We always try to judge others. We should stop judging people. Okay, I got 42 pips from this one. Let's wait. Okay, this level I want to be trading for a fresh as a fresh trade. Okay, I hope I don't get stuck on this one in the market, but first I'm so much hopeful. If this market drop from there till here, can be a good selling opportunity as well. See, I don't mind. Okay, I don't mind at all putting 100 pips of an SL if I see a reward of at least, for now just paste it here, at least a reward of 335 pips and an opportunity to move the stop loss very quickly to break even. I think with 100 pips this is 1:3, but I'm not sure. I just want to test it, that is this really that type of a market which gives a correction, or it just go continuously bullish. 1 minute left. In the 1 minute, let's see if it is going to take the liquidity first or what it is going to do next. We will know, my friend, we will know these things. I mean, like correction is much likely possible. See, and it will happen to every trader. Okay, because when it's going up, it is, if it is a really going up market, it will just stop me out and will continue. But if it is a fake market, just like yesterday, if it stopped me out and then if it comes back down, then as a disciplined trader I should not touch it. Okay, or even if I touch, I will say I just want to take it on the H4 and want to book my profits up there at the 61.8% retracement. ABCD pattern strategy is one of my strategy that I have developed in those times where I was completely exhausted from trading. So then I discovered, not developed, sorry, I discovered the ABCD pattern. So then after that, slowly and gradually I start learning it. But in like only the dedicated ones can understand the ABCD pattern, and it is not difficult at all. Watch some of my previous sessions, price action strategy, in that I have discussed. 2 point C you get, and between 2 point C, at point C we have 61.8%. At each and every level between 61.8% retracement we take decisions. Want to see an example? This is point C, okay, and this is also point C. Have a look at it. So I did this approach yesterday, ignored my strategy, and I got into a bad trading yesterday. While today it shows a very good up move as well. But till now so far things are not very clear, okay? Big volume has appeared, now we have to see. Is it going to create sort of a double top up there or something, or it is going for a breakout? If it is a breakout, then on a scalping I will be buying with a stop loss right here. That will be scalping intraday. For a position trade, that H4 is still valid. On my other accounts I'm holding buy, good buy, okay, but since I don't take those trades, so that's why I don't discuss it, okay. 100 video course is in the process of recording for all of you. Will be uploaded from the videos you will start to see from 10th of June most probably. Beginner friendly it will be, and I hope, like, you know, my from my side I do my level best to give the maximum benefit out there to the community, because the life that is lived for others is something else. There is no alternative for that, okay. Okay, just one moment. Let's see if this is just a normal drop or is there really something inside it. I mean, this is, I earlier said demand zone. Sorry, this is supply area. Okay, supply and demand. This is demand as this, then little bit stop losses, and then continuation. This is the place. Okay, book some profits right here. Lokesh, how do you manage to wait for a trade to get to your level? You know, sometime you will already mark a level that you intend to take a trade. The price almost get to that level and reverse. You know, how I wait, my friend. I wait. I wait because when I like, let me give you an example. There was a person who it was raining and it rained, it's slippery everywhere. It was raining, and one of my friend was walking somewhere, it was slippery, he fell down and his leg got broken. He get recovered this and that in his time 3 4 months, but after that that person is afraid of going out in the rainy weather again. Did you get? No. So how I wait? Because in these rainy days I have felt so many times, my friend, so many times, literally, not so many, like not countable. I have no count how many times did I fell in this market. So when I remember that fear, I don't remember it, but it's there, like it's printed in the mind. So I automatically then don't do that. Plus there is one technical strategy it has for the patience one. When you know market is on this A, this is B, let's say, and this is C. So when you practice point C most of the times, you trade it go in your favor, you trade it go in your favor. Sometime this is point C on the sell, you make profit. When you see it working, then you definitely will be waiting, because if one thinks that this is my level and it is going to be working and giving me profit, then is he crazy to buy right here? Why don't he wait right here? So now my friend, I think I should be just quickly scalping now. Okay, because this is like not very good directional at the moment. Let's wait. Okay, let it drop first, then I buy. But yes, at least till now so far this breakout has not yet occurred. Let's delete this Fibonacci to make the chart cleaner little bit. We have a news in 20 minutes as well. Did you guys made any profit or something? Yes, liquidity zone. Did you guys made something from this setup or not? Good. I mean good 84 pips it gave. Perfect. Perfect trade of the day. With 100 pips, we got almost like 1:1. Let's see if I can take it again, because literally now again I think when I see this candle on the 15-minute, it is showing a sell, with this being a very good supply area. So I think it deserve how much stop loss? Now this time it is 109 pips of a stop loss. It definitely deserve. If a level, remember, if a level is for a sell and I don't take a sell, then that is a mistake. Okay, so no doubt what the higher time frames tell me, but I also have to stay disciplined. Discipline is the most thing. Market will be stopping us out, no problem. Account that day, what I said, this account will be growing, it will be going down for a dip, it will be growing then dips, growing then dips, but dip doesn't mean that go wash it. No, dip means actually dip, not just washing the accounts or something. Then we need to build our curiosity levels as well. Unless we are not curious about the market, that how we are going to learn? If I don't know how I found this sell level, then what type of a trader I will be? Okay, most traders then do this mistake. I did it yesterday, I did it, buy right here. The actual setup was for the sell, but my friend, loss was in our luck, so we get it. Okay, we get that loss. Account will be growing, no problem. I don't ever care about the account. Okay, I don't ever care. Since I have started full time with the ABCD pattern, I don't care about the account that way. I care about how many trades I take per day, what is my risk to reward. If I lose both of the trades for today, what will be how much percentage that is of my total equity. These things matters to me. I don't see at the liquid equity and the balance that much. Okay, I don't see it. So yes, market seems good. Okay, I mean, see, like looking good, right? It looks good. Oh, let me hide this WhatsApp. You guys tell me, please. I need some admins who can tell me these little things. Sir, you turned on WhatsApp number, but you forgot. You need to tell me these things. What should I do now? 24 pips. It's giving me further. This break below is very much important for me, because if this break didn't occur with this momentum, it will then be breaking this as well. Let's see what it gives us. See, my friend, try to tell yourself one thing. Whenever you are in a rush or whenever you want to trade, you tell yourself one thing. Remind yourself that trade for which you waited nicely, you did your research nicely, then you properly planned for it, and then you take the trade, how much profit that gives. And then see your other trade for which you don't do any preparation, anything, how that will be ending up. That will be ending up like my yesterday's trade. At the start of the stream I said this market doesn't seem very good to me. My friends, see, things will be happening. Okay, I just booked 15 pips. Okay, 36 pips of a loss. Let's see if it can give me 49 pips. Stop loss seems compromised, but anyway this is just 36 pips. Okay, 14 minutes we have a good news, so we can see a spike up as well. We have a very good news today that can bring a lot of volume today. ISM services PMI and job openings. I have reduced my stop loss to 14 pips. I'm not willing to give more stop loss now, because after this if a big candle stop me out right here, then why not right here, huh? Okay, it should stop me right here then. Okay, I just then don't want to be into this trade then. Or otherwise this, even if the stop loss is going to survive, it can survive, my take profit is not too far, but then it will mean there is some thing happening right here. Because why? If this, then it will mean that these are just smart money fake moves, fake smart money moves. F SMM, fake smart money move. This is a very common concept in the NY, those who work there, the stock exchange. FSSMM, they talk as this. Now I think it's not going to survive now. Oh wow, I can still close. I'm not closing, I'm just willing to book my 14 pips of a loss. First, let's deal with this buy, then we see from where we are going to further buy. Wow, amazing. Come on, just go hit my TP. I am increasing my TP a little bit. Oh, my friend, have a look at this bullish engulfing right here. This TP needs to be increased, my friend, for sure. Let it be right here for now. 46.05, my yesterday's level, but I'm not holding it that much. Let's see, if it is a crashing market, that's fine. If it is slow, I will be booking my share from it. With a 14 pips, I am easily getting 30 pips. Okay, and suddenly the market can crash down at me. This is that type of a market. if this bearish momentum is, it breaks this candle. Oh, let's see, we have 9 minutes left. So in these 9 minutes a lot can change. Okay, a lot can change. Maybe even if this candle closes as this, the next candle can come back down, stop me out. But let's say if it goes slightly up, then it will be good. It hit my 49 pips. See, 49 pips it hit. Okay, it almost go beyond 49. But this is just 14 pips. Let's see if it crashes up, I make more. Let's book it. I booked it. Okay. Market is very slow. Let's see. Let's wait for another candle to come back down, take the low of this, then we buy. Otherwise, let's see for this breakout. Okay, because there is a news coming in. Let's see if it spike down will be good. If it spike up, then it will be suddenly going down. Maybe if then that also depends on the news as well. What type of news do we get? Okay, Ichi, TP1 45.55. Vol is Volvic. I quickly book profits today because yesterday I didn't book profits. Then I suffer from a 1000 pips of a losing trade. SL hit. H4 candle is going to close. Okay, so see, in this momentum, each new candle opens, it try to take the retest. The new candle that forms can take a retest, but if it go for a breakout, then situation will be way too different. And my doubt, which was that this level may not respect much. It worked nicely for 130 pips, but not a good one. Let's wait for this breakout, then a next candle come back down, then right here I buy. Okay, otherwise let's see, we have a news as well. So on the news, if it drops, that will be good. So let me put a stop loss of 41 pips of a stop loss, and let's see if it can give me 105 pips of a take profit today. But I mean, like, this is straight bullish. Okay, double top seems activated on the lower time frame, but let's see. See, this candle got rejected from there, is yet open. We have a news as well. So before the news, I want to book some profit. Everyone is just waiting for it, what it's going to do, because people are into trades. Shall I book this 31 pips? Yes, I should. Because we have 3 minutes left in the news, and during the news time, no matter if it gives me more profit or less profit, I don't trade. So let's wait for the news in 3 minutes and then we see. Till then, let me head over to your chat if there is any. Why you guys are very silent today? Yes, scalping is most effective on gold. Exactly. With the ABCD and scalping on gold, perfect. I know you are doing it on the ABCD, find a bigger level and then trade it in that direction, and it just profits. But to those who really actually understand, okay, so I'm right here with you for like let's see this news reaction. If I get something, that's fine. Otherwise, overall, I should say it was a good comeback to the market after a big loss. Okay, it was a big loss, my friend. See, wasn't it a big loss on 1350? I guess the market was, and I book 100. 1350 into 100, 7.4% loss it was, my friend. 7.4%. So it's a very good comeback. Okay, good comeback, I should say. At least you guys should, for the sake of my happiness, you can sometimes say, Aftab, you are doing well. Good comeback, give some positivity, some motive. How much motivation I give all of you? How much? So similarly, the mentor always requires some motivation as well. My friends, you will find me very different from the other people on YouTube. I try to work on realistic grounds. Why? Because I have a family, I have my kids, I have a life. I'm not single. Most of don't ever learn from a trader who is single or a mentor who is single. There's a very big psychology gap in between both of them. If one is willing to learn from someone, should go for. Oh, let's see a breakout. Let's see. I will not be in a rush today. Okay. News is released. Okay, my friend. Let's quickly check the news. Can someone let me know how is the news? Uh, Hi, Marcus, my dear friend. I'm in buy from 45.67. I think we have good potential for 45.67 and 40. Yes, exactly. Big move on 2 minute, 1 minute now. Yes, big move is expected, but let's see. Marcus, see, my friend. Yes, I will. There is a divergence right here. So the actual move obviously show a very big move up. But I say okay, we are not much greedy. So at least till at this price point it should go. 47.47, and then you said 46.60. So even that is more possible. Even we are targeting at around 38.2. So makes a very good logic. But let's suppose if I enter from right here, your entry is 45.67. You did good, but stop loss you have to see, because you have to see that till at this price point 45.23 one must definitely need to give something like how is the news? Oh, new home sales is good. Job openings is last 6.92 millions, 6.8. Okay, job openings are reduced a little bit. ISM services PMI 53.6, 53.7, 54. 54, well, slightly neutral, I should say. Okay, if it is neutral, then I'm taking, for now as a scalper, I'm taking this 83 pips of a stop loss, and then with 83 pips I'm targeting how much? 476 pips. Then from right here I will be buying, but this, don't consider this because the market can prove me wrong. Okay, so don't consider if I said and the market will 100% be doing it. If I know, I would add, instead of 0.02 I will add 100 lots right now if I'm for sure. Okay, a lot of the beginners are then with me as well, then they watch this stream as well, so that's why I clarify things a little bit first. Thank you. Gail Kodzer 8571. Thank you, dear. Let's see. Okay, Marcos, you can convert that into a scalping later if you want. Anyone, not just Marcos, anyone who is buying from for like $10 an ounce, profit is good. But if there is an opportunity that the market can drop on you, then I also did the same mistake buying near at this zone yesterday. So see, okay, on the lower time frames, let's see. Maybe yesterday the higher time frames played out. Today again the higher time frames can play out. Today the lower time frames can play out. Stop losses will be helping us. Marcus, if you let me know about your stop loss, I will be able to understand it, that okay, are you holding a swing position or what? Because now at this point, see, don't make my words 100% exact. This is my own thought process. Okay, let's wait for a little bit selling right here, then this level can become a good buying zone, and then this also will be a good breakout point from right here. It can be a good breakout point right here as well, but this level is also not yet retested. See, this trend line got broken, sort of retested as well. So let's see. Okay, let's see then. Yes, that's what I think, Marcus. You are right. This is what I also think. So yes, if you yes, you are going with the structure, that's good. I mean, like the H4 closed also. There is one thing. See, This candle come back down, was bullish but took the retest of the previous low. Similarly, this one took a little bit of retest. This one also took a little bit of retest of the previous. Then similarly, this previous candle took a retest of the previous. So then maybe at least on the candlestick basis right here, 45 58, still your stop loss survive. If it drops still here, then no. 45.37 seems good below this candle, because if the candle come back down till at this price point, I will not be willing to stay in the market. 45.37. Okay. Yes. 45 46 45 47. Yes. 45.37 I think is good. I have like a good, see, like we don't know if this H4 candle, we will be like in this whole 4 hours in this candle. So during this time, maybe it spike up first, trap the bulls, and then come back down, take a retest. Different opinions, or even no retest at all, it continues straight up. We don't know. We literally don't know. Let's prepare for a breakout, my friend. M30 also seems straight bullish. Again struggling. Wow, a good drop. Hello, Amir Khalik. It's good. I didn't made much profit from this one. $45.58 seems TP1 good. Bearish engulfing on the 5-minute. See, this is like that price action thing. Price remain will be like breaking out. But like see, it's like each time the new candle forms, it first come back down, take a retest. Same it's doing it. Don't panic, okay? Don't sell right here or right here. We should remain with be with this bullish momentum because we don't have any other choice. Why? Because it is the only thing that is present in front of us. If big institutions come in today right now and they say okay, we want to grab the liquidity, for them everything is easy. Otherwise, technically, if this bullish momentum is good one, it should come down, stop and then continue back up. And in the middle, if I get a chance, some level, I will be quickly scalping as well. As this, now the buy is intact, okay? Maybe I go for another sell. Unless I get a breakout from this level, I can again sell maybe right here. Oh, oh ho ho ho, oh ho ho ho, oh ho 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 ho. Oh, my friend, what is this? Oh, my friend, I'm in a buy again today. And what this market is doing today again? Oh. No room for error today. Come on, go push up till there so I can sell you again. Big volume right here, okay? Big volume at zone of 45.66. Liquidity on the top right here, trying to, let's see, grab it or do what? It has slowed down. Wow, I'm getting ready to sell again. Little SL it will require, 58 pips. Oh wow, wait, okay, not blind sell, okay, wait. Let's see the H4 situation a little bit. Where did it drop to? Well, yes, see, I think look at seems like a momentum reversal. So on a momentum reversal, then this candle suggests sharp up move then. Let's see, we will be waiting right here. Okay, not blind sell. My main direction is still bullish. Okay, this sell I'm doing it is just for as a scalping. See, again it has lost its power. Bulls appearing but are afraid. Look at the movement of this candle. Let's see. Okay, no, I think no blind selling. 15-minute, but it can just crash up there as well near my break-even point. But then this time, let's see. Okay, let's see. $150 pips it moved up. Now no selling. Okay, no selling, not at all. See, I see when the price touch it and immediately give me a 1-minute closing, then I will consider it. Let's see if this 1-minute candle closing as a pin bar or something reversing from, then sell. Otherwise the main thing is anyways bullish. Wow, can be a false one. Okay, can be a false one. If any candle closes below this zone, then it will be little bit deadly. Even a 1-minute candle, still it will become deadly. Oh, I hope no big crash. I'm not selling. Okay, for now I'm not selling. No, see, look how it looks like. This 30-minute candle and M15 is closing. Now it is gaining momentum on the 30-minute as well. Then the next candle will again come back down to test the low of this candle. Yes, my friend, if this candle don't go for a breakout, we have 4 minutes left, anything can happen, but I'm not sure if it is going or not going. But I think the next candle will come back down till here and continue. Only in that situation if this candle doesn't closes above 45.84. See on the, okay, great. For the safety purposes, I'm booking 39 pips of an SL. Like 39 pips of an SL I took for safety purposes. Okay, and this is my take profit, 96 pips. But I hope it just crosses above this level and go continue, so that I can close my this bigger position. But it's also good if it come back down just like the previous one and it go reverses, still it's fine with me, giving me profits. But my bias is strongly to the bullish side of the market. But that was yesterday as well, huh? That was yesterday as well. So like I say that in this market anything can happen. We just need to understand that how we behave, how is our behavior. Traders' behavior is must. Is it still freezing? It's good. I think this is a full-fledged breakout, okay? H4 seems a very good breakout candle. 45.60. This level seems a good level for today. 45.59.60 somewhere. Okay, I'm stopped out on that trade. 713 pips it will come right here. While the stop loss is 577. Not good risk to reward, I guess. Good risk to reward is if we target that, but let's see. I'm putting it there. Let's see how this crash will look like. Till at this place, I'm sure now it's doing it, okay? And 45, let's say if it go up there and then from there it drop, then 45.84 will become again a good buying level. Yesterday there was also a big volume candle, then right after that volume disappeared. So right here, if a big volume candle, let's see if this volume disappear on this present candle or not. If it disappear, then I think there are same people, okay, driving this market. $1,600 pips, it's promising me now at this place. Okay guys, my screen is right here. I'm not turning off the screen, okay, but I'm saying goodbye to you. We will meet tomorrow. If I need to say something, I will write it on the screen with a tablet, with a pen, okay. And if you have any question, ask me now. Otherwise, we will meet tomorrow. I'm not turning off this stream, okay. It will be here. You can see my decisions as well for educational purposes. No questions. So this 30-minute candle is coming back down till here to take a fresh reset, retest. I shared some lessons in my London's session morning stream. Okay, I discussed my own mistakes and my own psychology and all that. Okay, so it can be very helpful for you too. Okay, so anyone who missed that, make sure if you get a chance, watch it. Just 30-minute stream it is. This buy can be for the whole week, I guess now. Like, have a look at it as this, understand it this as well. You see this, see the impulse started as this, then after a breakout it stopped at this place, then since then A, B, C, and that is the D. Then another correction, C and D is up there. Any close below this, market straight down till here, and then a fresh bullish rally. I hope it helps you. Yes, what did I say? If it closes below this, then we sell. Uh, 12 p.m. I start GMT. Okay, you just Google 12 p.m. GMT and you will get my time. This time I starts. Okay, 12 p.m. GMT. And the London session, sometimes when I have something on my heart, just like today I had a lot to talk to you about, so I couldn't wait it for the NY session. I said, who will be waiting for the NY session? Let me correct the mistake first. So in such situations, then I come in the London session as well. And the recorded video lessons, I do the weekly forecast, I do the daily as well. I couldn't do the daily today because I was having like from the last night's trade, my mood was not very good. Booked a 7 pips of a loss, my friend. See, my friend, the more time if I spend on the chart or the less. The thing is, my strategy tells me that put 1948 pips of an SL and take a profit of 1600 pips. Pretty much one is the risk and 1.5 is the reward, I guess. So if it is a sharp rally, this stop loss is compromised, but I think just like yesterday, it's not going to hit this stop loss very nicely, because today we have good bullish momentum right here. I mean extremely good momentum, and if sometimes such momentum can also closes above this and hit this whole target. Welcome 8571. Sorry, I cannot pronounce some names nicely, so Gelkodzer, that's yes. HK Wine, are you with me? Can you reply? I need to talk to you something. Another attempt, my friend, another attempt. Failed attempt right here. Let's see. Still struggling. This is also a good sign of a bullish momentum. This, you see, this candle came back down, took a retest of this one, this previous candle's low. $19 pips I gave as an SL to be on a safe side, because if it crashes, my buy will be then stuck. Let's see, if it drops from here, that's fine. If it stopped me out, then I still have some, like, it's okay. See, I'm going to make that 1600 pips from this trade, so it's okay if 16 pips is less in that, 19 pips is less in that. Stopped out. $15-minute closing in 2 minutes. Okay, these 2-minute candles are very much important for us. On a breakout, don't suddenly buy, because if this 15-minute candle closes right here, let's say, the next one will come take the low of it first. I mean, there is a probability. For sure, no one is sure that what's the next candle is going to do, but this is like the price action discipline, I should say. Yes, they are available. Make sure to check the most recent one first. My friend, what is this market doing? Anyways, I will update you about this. I will be trading further a little bit, okay, at this zone maybe. uh, let's see. Okay, it has created a big confusion, because gold, when gold is going to break something, it just break it. Why is it waiting too much today? This is a question as well. 15-minute candle closed as little bearish. Okay, not bearish engulfing, but bearish. So right guys, I will see you tomorrow. Okay, I am turning off the mic and the webcam, and let's see, my screen will be right here. So thank you so much for being part of the stream. I will see you tomorrow same time. Till then, take care and goodbye. Hello. Oh, sorry guys, I already said goodbye. My friend, my mind little bit changed about this trade. You know why? I'm saying right here at the end of this video to make it part of this stream as well. No doubt, my friend, I see a very good correction, very good Fibonacci. But I think, my friends, I will prefer to either just wait for a double bottom, maybe sort of, or tomorrow a little correction, or to just miss this whole beautiful setup. So this is my life, my friend, okay, and I try to take it as this. Further, when I know my mind is tired, I say okay, this much is enough. Okay, so since this is an intraday account, okay, and I mostly focus on little targets. I think yesterday that loss occurred. See that $100 came back down, then half of it I recover it today. So I don't think so on this slow market I should be in the market, okay, because as I said, when I am in the market, I am in the market, and when I leave the market, then I become the Mr. Aftab. Earlier in the session I discussed Mr. Aftab and Mr. Aftab trader. So now time for me to become again Mr. Aftab, okay, and not a trader. So I prefer, my friend, to give my mind relaxation to think about this market, to know okay, no doubt sometimes there will be good markets, but we will be tired. So a tired mind cannot work in this market, my friends. Okay, so yes, this is what I want to say. There is, yes. So I'm saying this is my still my analysis, that as far as the market is trading above around 45, like this will be the actual plan. Okay, let's see then a little bit bigger. I'm still saying okay, analysis point of view. But see, then tomorrow the maybe another candle come back down and then reaches here, and then I will miss those good intraday setups then. So the place where one is confused should avoid trading, okay, and this is, see, looks at like yes, otherwise see, it looks very good to me. It looks very good buying opportunity, but on this account I think I'm willing to leave this market. Okay, nicely it is showing bullish, but all of a sudden something will happen. So I just want to become Mr. Aftab, and Aftab the trader is now shutting down. Take care everyone. Goodbye.